Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you if you have a Samsung oven and you're getting an E-55 error on your oven. So what is it and how to get rid of it? So first of all, what is the E-55 error? So the E-55 error indicates a failure in the communication between the touchscreen and the control board. So there's really three possible problems going on here. It could be, the issue could be one with the touchscreen, two with the control board, or three with the wiring that connects the two. So the easiest fix is just to check and make sure the wiring is good between the two. And you can also just hard reset the machine, turn it off, disconnect it from power, leave it disconnected for a full minute, plug it back in, and see if neither of those things fixes the error and gets the error to go away. And then the last thing to do is you're going to just need to one by one replace the control panel. I would just start with the wiring, replace the wiring, then if that doesn't work, replace the control panel. If that doesn't work, we're going to have to replace the touchscreen. So it might be all of them. There might be an issue with all of them. It might just be one thing that's causing the problem. But anyways, hope this helped you figure out what the problem is and what you need to do to fix it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.